Gold traded in the no trade zone, which I shared in the early morning update today. Precisely, it failed to break past 2005 here. At the same time, on the downside, you can see crude oil has dropped sharply and now trading below 80.5, 80.4 levels. So now what to expect with the US session? Can we expect a further drop, or we are going to look forward to a rally from here? Which position you should take trading gold and crude oil WTI, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. This is the second update for the day. Those who followed the first update with the Asia session definitely would have profited. Also, you can be part of my free Telegram channel where you will get the live updates of the markets. So link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at gold. Now see, in the morning update I shared one thing about gold, that it is trying to trade in this bearish channel. It tried to breach this, however it's still very much below 2005. Now remember, only bullishness is if you see gold trading about 2010 levels. That is also I have mentioned in the early morning updates. Now if you look at, see, after the sharp drop, this is just a retracement. Now a retracement, if you look at the lower support of these candles, you will find, now if you see it trading below 2000, you can sell, but then expect 1995 very good support, and only if it breaks below 1995, further bearishness is going to be observed. So yes, you can sell at 2000 and then wait for a little drop. At the same time, look at 2005 levels. Very strong resistance exists here, and then 2008. So be cautious of 2005 2008 levels on the upside. Stochastic has retraced a bit. MACD divergent and bullish, looking upwards. RSI is also showing a little strength. And if you look at 2 hour charts, now look at last 3 candles. Now see, lower highs are seen, higher lows are seen. This candle tried to breach on the upside. So I'll wait for it to break past 2006 levels and 2008 levels. So this zone in between 2005 2008, where one has to remain cautious. Yes, you can buy at 2006. Expect 2008 2012 levels, and beyond that, to see, till 2013.5 2015 levels, we have to be extremely cautious with gold. And yes, if it breaks till 2015, you can expect 2020 the next resistance. Now only reversal confirmation is gold is if you see it trading about 2020 levels. So be careful with that levels. At the same time, look at downside, higher lows, which means a break below 2000 and 1998 certainly is going to be a little bearish move. Stochastic overbought. MACD is divergent, bullish, looking upward. See, this crossover is happening after little while. It may continue with this bullishness. RSI trying to look upwards and show a little strength. If you look at 3 hour charts, likewise on the 3 hour, see, same thing, retracement, drop, retracement, and if it breaks below 2000 and then 1995 this time, certainly stay short. We are going to look at lower lows, but remember, several times in last week and this week also I have told you 1980 1990 zone is the strongest support. It has precisely bounced back yesterday from the 1980 levels. Stochastic is overbought here too on the 3 hour chart. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover. See, this crossover is happening after a little while, so possibly it may bring little bullishness. RSI is trying to recover. And if you look at 4 hour chart, similar is the observation. Now if you look at the 4 hour chart, see, higher lows, higher highs. Now also look, the candle size here has diminished, which means that the bullishness has diminished here. It may also means that below 2000, yes, you can stay short, and there is going to be further drop from there. Stochastic looking up, MACD trying to converge crossover, RSI trying to trade bullish, trying to look upwards. Now look at the daily chart. Now see, on the daily charts, lower highs, lower lows, this is what it is trying to create, which means 2010 levels is something you should watch out for. This is going to be the good resistance level, and from there it can show you good swing, which might in fact bring it below 1980 levels. Possibility exists of this. Also remember, the candle might is going to turn red below 1995. So that is going to be a good level for you to stay short, and then we may see it trading below 1985. Now remember, 1980-85 is going to be the next strongest support. So till the time it stays between 1980 and 2020, these $40, so for gold, these $40 are going to remain critical and crucial. Stochastic has dropped, trading near to bottom. MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is flat here. Considering, now I'll recommend you to buy 2006. However, be alert till 2013.5 2015 levels, and beyond that, yes, you can expect 2020 the next resistance zone. If it trades about 2020, then only little bullishness is seen. Else you have to be cautious and alert. Remember, this can be riskier. You have to put a trailing stop loss or you have to trade with the stop loss at cost, such that in case of reversal your trade closes either in profit or without any loss. On the downside, you can sell at 2000 levels itself, but then it has to breach below 95. Once it breaches below 95, it is going to give it a very good slide for 1985-80 levels, which is the strongest support. So take your trades accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at crude oil WTI. And yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. And yes, those who want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch 21, which is going to start on 1st of May. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group, trading as per the signals. Definitely you can benefit. Now look at the hourly charts for crude oil here. See the drop there, retracement, and again it is looking downwards. Let it break below 80.4 levels. Yes, below that you can expect we may see it breaching 80 levels, 80.2, 79.8. These are the strongest support on the downside, 80.2, 79.8. So right now it is trading very near to 80.4. Yes, you can sell here at 80.2, wait for 79.8 and then 79.4. If these two are taken, we can see a very good drop. Stochastic at bottom, oversold. MACD is also very well at a very lower levels, and hence it can try to trade bullish. And RSI is trying to look down. It is already near to bottom. Now look at 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, see consolidation, drop, retracement, drop. Now it is again looking downwards. Once it breaks below 80.2, you can stay short for 79.8, 79.4. Below that 79 and below that it is going to give it a very good drop. Stochastic at bottom. MACD is bearish here. It has to converge crossover on the upside. RSI at bottom here. And if you look at 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts likewise, you will find, see the drop, retracement, reversal sign, and then this red candle. But I'll wait for this red candle to breach the previous lows, then only we can confirm that it is really bearish. As any move above 81, yes, you can buy again, but then you have to wait for it to break past 81.4, 81.5 levels. Stochastic at bottom here, and MACD divergent and bearish. RSI is looking down. So see, in the morning update I told you 80.4, 81.5 levels you should be watchful of. Precisely it is traded in the same zone. Look at the 4-hour chart, see the retracement and this drop. So precisely in the same zone it is trying to trade as of now. And stochastic at bottom here, the MACD divergent and bearish. RSI is also trying to look down, trying to trade moderately bearish. Now look at the daily chart. Now see, on the daily charts, almost lower lows are done and this candle is turned red. Now once it breaks below 80.2, we can see 79.8, and below that see 79.8, very good support, and then 79.4 level. These two support levels are important for crude oil. Only and only if it breaks below this zone, you can expect, that is 79.4, you can expect that there is going to be little more bearishness. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is bullish, trying to converge crossover. RSI is looking down. Considering this, you can sell at 80.2, buy at 81 levels, but then till 81.5, do not consider this as bullish. It can reverse again. Above 81.5, there is a possibility of a rise for 82, 82.6, and if it trades above 82.6, more bullishness is going to be seen. So buy at 81, sell at 80.2. Do not trade for this 80 cents. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signal channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.